I am the Commercial Sales Associate for CertaPro Painters of the main line. My name is Andrea Fanfara, and this is one of the best jobs that I've ever had. I have a nursing background, and I switched to CertaPro and marketing because of the company. I really enjoy helping people in general, and knowing that when I show up to greet our customers, I'm there to make sure that the customer has the best price, quality work, quality paint to last, to love, and to enjoy. I also want them to be proud of themselves that they have made the choice to pick CertaPro and to follow through with the painting that they have always wanted. We have a 2-year warranty on our work, but our relationship very well may last a lifetime. CertaPro Painters stands for certainty, and I work for CertaPro, and that is what I know the company to be at every angle.